Hello friends and potential friends. Let's see, today is Friday, April 22nd, 2022, and I decided to switch things up a little bit. You're over there closer to the patient's garden, and I'm over here by the sweet potatoes. Because, let's see, last week, I believe about this time, I did a little bit of a garden update. Showed you the progress of everything that was going on in the raised beds. And let's see, I had put the cage around the sweet potatoes about 2 days before that update. And by the time I shot that update, some of these vines had already discovered the cage and started growing towards the sky. Well, they've continued to do that. And pardon me if I seem a little bit nervous. I almost don't like sitting here with my back to these sweet potatoes. I keep thinking about that old movie, The Little Shop of Horrors, because these sweet potatoes are going crazy. So I figured I'd better get out here and do a update on the sweet potatoes in case they manage to get their tendrils around me and I can't get out here to update anymore. But anyway, let me get you off of this tripod and we'll take a look at what I'm talking about. Okay, this is my sweet potatoes from seed, and as you can see, they're reaching for the sky everywhere. I come out here every morning and try to convince some of these vines that are reaching for the other beds to stay in their own beds. With mixed success, I might add, because they're reaching for everything. It's getting hard to walk around here. They've pretty much taken over the fence I put around them. And they keep trying to get away, finding something else to climb up. And I'm afraid if I get too close, they might just decide to climb up me. We do, of course, have flowers here and there. And there are flowers hiding all over in here, incidentally. Look, those ones over there are reaching up for the chinaberry tree. All around the bed, they're just spreading everywhere. In fact, when they don't have some place to spread, let me see if I can get down here to show you this. When they don't have something to climb on, they're just climbing on each other. There's one out there in the middle trying to go up. There's another one over there trying to go up. A few more down there trying to go up. So basically they're just competing with each other to get every bit of sunlight they can get. They do make a nice ground cover. I don't think any weeds could live under there. But these are the sweet potatoes from seed. And so far they're looking pretty impressive. Now again, I'm still not putting any bets on production. I can't do that until I start digging, and that's going to be a while. But I thought I would give you a quick update of these guys since a few of you seem to be interested in this experiment. So far it's looking promising. Now the other part of the experiment is growing sweet potatoes from slips, like most people do. And these are my sweet potatoes that I grew from slips. Granted, they're not nearly as impressive as that other bed, but they are nice and healthy. And the only real problem is I didn't have enough slips to fill this whole bed up. But they're growing well. I can't complain about them. And these ones I probably will get some yield out of, since I've been growing these from slips for a number of years now. And I seem to get a handful of tubers every time I do it. So these will probably at least produce enough sweet potatoes so that I can grow slips for next year. And incidentally, I do have more slips that I'm growing now. Takes them a while to get up some size, but as soon as those do get a little bit more size on them and get a few roots established, I'll be moving those over into the main bed to fill in some of the gaps. Now I'm probably going to be letting all of my sweet potatoes go beyond the standard 120 days, because the ones back there in the big bed I want seeds from, and so I'm not going to be digging those until I am able to collect enough seeds to grow next year. And I've decided I'm going to go ahead and let these that I started from slips grow along with them. I'm not going to be digging these ones up until I get ready to dig the other bed up. So they will be probably going beyond the 120 days. But anyway, that's just a quick update of the sweet potato from seed experiment. And I'm getting to where I'm almost nervous going over there by that bed. So I don't know what, you can probably see that they're reaching well beyond that cage I put around them. If I get too close, they might just grab hold of me. But anyway, that's a quick update. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Maybe in a few days I'll go around and look at everything else again. But for right now, it looks like the sun's coming out from behind the tree or the clouds. And it's going to start getting warm out here again. So I'm going to pack this up and head in the house. And I'll see you next time.